Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. Okay, my hobby room, crafting room is finished, and at this stage is now nice and clean and beautiful for the after shot. Um, I love this room now so much. But yeah, let's start here. Um, this is it's going to be my working station. So okay, the table is now nice and neat. So that is how it would be if I'm not working in my crafting room, but which would never. I'm always here. Um, for the study chair, I just made a quick cover so that it can fit in by the room because it was a brown and was ugly because it's an old chair, but it works for me. I just put a cushion for my back, so I just make a quick slip-on cover so it can fit in by the room. And then next to that is my sewing cabinet. I actually have got this little problem now with the sewing cabinet. If I open the door and then the flap, I can't put the flap down because of the table. Would have to move that, but it's not a real problem for me because actually always take my sewing machine out and work on the table because there's more space for me there, obviously. Okay, so this side here is actually now my focal point, which I would like to keep nice and tidy. So if someone come and visit, there is space for them to sit. Although as you know, that it's the doggy bed. You can already see, and I love the new doggy bed. Um, Especially Chloe loves that. Um, it's actually so funny. My mom always said to me, there's no pink in your house because my mom is her favorite color is pink. She loves pink. And then she always said to me, but there's no pink in your house. Mom, I do not like pink. I don't like it. But when my daughter was a teenager, always she said also she loves pink and purple. So this is still leftover material I had from her room when she was a teenager, for all the color schemes in her room. So now my crafting room, the room I am the most in, is pink. So, Mum, I think you would be glad and happy now. There's pink in my house, and in my favorite room is pink. So, yeah, this is a little ribbon cushion I made all those years ago for my daughter's room. At different colors of, I used all the colors that's in this material to make a little weaved ribbon cushion. So that fits nice in here. And then, yeah, and oh, yeah, I painted this, spray this to now gold on the inside, and actually looks beautiful. Now I can see all these beautiful gold butterflies that show through. So now you can actually see the butterflies. It's just something, I must have my three items, so you just need to knit off. That's why there's free stuff there and on that table. So yeah, and then I put on the other old study chair. The thrower that was always on the couch. I put comforter down there over the couch, so it's not actually nice and softer. And I put a throw over this chair just to hide also that ugly because that one is brown and that one is actually I think a maroon color. Yeah, it wasn't even the same color. So yeah, I had to change that. So obviously I chose the longest wall I could use for my dollhouse. So okay, this is just the lower level now because and it's still in the shambles because I'm obviously I'm working on a dollhouse now. After I'm finished this, I'm gonna start working on the dollhouse again. So this room won't be so nice and tidy anymore. But for now, that's it. Oh, and then on the top, on the walls there, above the curtains that sit the wall there, I've actually okay. For now, that's only temporary. The clock that's there because I just want to use the mechanism inside of the clock because I actually want to make like a button clock maybe on canvas or something and use buttons. So that is a crafting project for the future. And obviously there must be something next to it. So um, I'm going to still have to make something for that. But now I put the nails too close together. So there's going to be those used open gaps next to that. So obviously I have to make something for that side. So there are going to be 5 things on that room. And I want to make my own some whatever, I don't know yet what. but yeah, I'm not going to buy something. So my idea is to put next to the clock on the each side. I want to put also two diamond dot pictures. I'm going to make for those two sides that side, because my other diamond dot picture is against the wall there on top. So there's already two nails next to that, because I'm also going to put some other art, something next to that. I must maybe find some more of my husband's sketches, and that will be a nice idea to put some of his sketches in my crafting room. So yeah, that is now this wall here. And now, because of all the space I have next to this dollhouse here, I obviously got the opportunity to build another dollhouse. Like maybe for the other family, I can build their own home here next to this one. And then on top here, where I said I'm actually going to build their house, I'd rather put just maybe one or two bedroom granny flat type of thing on top of that one. So then I will have more space there. And then the other family can have their own home. So there's opportunity for another dollhouse coming. Okay, so yeah, and this is a little breakfast nook that might just make it past the door. So it's actually a perfect fit for here. And the table can fold out and open. So if I do need more workspace, there's another table, and it's actually just next to my working station. So it's a perfect place. And then, yeah, if I need space, I've got another table. Yeah, okay, I did not have enough brown, so I had to use gold. So it actually didn't come out too bad with the gold. I just tried to leave from the brown, so I painted it first, just to leave that show through. So it's not just gold, it's like now a brown and gold splatter something. So yeah, that's they're not too much golding. Oh, and this is actually something very special to me. My youngest son, once, not long ago, he gave this to me, and he said to me, it makes him think about me. So that's why he gave it to me. And it's actually very special. So I just hang it here on top of the mirror. So I can see it. Yeah. So yeah, actually very nice. So yeah, this is my crafting room now, all done and dusted and finished, and well, still clean at this at this moment now. So let's go show you my next blank canvas. Okay, now this is my blank canvas. Okay, not so blank anyway, but yeah, now you can actually see how small this crafting room of mine was according to my room I've got now. That room is about, I think, 6 by 3, and this one is just 3 by 3. So yeah, it's actually that's double the size of this room. And yeah, my curtains is way too long, so I'm going to make it shorter now. But I will show you in one of the corners here somewhere a link to a video. I will make a short video on a quick tip on how you can make your curtains shorter without taking them off of the railing. So but that will be in other videos. So just click on one of this corners here. So yeah, let's get started with this room now.